For the first time in the world, a fully two-story house has been completely 3D printed, and it happened in Australia. Australian company Contec has unveiled a groundbreaking project, the world's first two-story home printed entirely using a robotic system. And here's the shocking part. The structural printing process took only 18 hours. Unlike most 3D printed houses, where only the ground floor is printed and upper levels are built traditionally, this house was printed entirely using the Dutch cyber robotic system. The technology works by applying a specialized concrete mixture layer by layer, forming load-bearing structures without formwork or scaffolding. The material itself is revolutionary. It becomes self-supporting in less than 3 minutes and reaches a compressive strength of 50 megapascals, more than 3 times stronger than traditional brick structures. The printed walls are highly resistant to extreme weather, provide strong thermal insulation, and are protected against fire, moisture, and even termites. Although the structural printing took less than a day, completing the home required additional time. Crews installed the roof, utilities, flooring, and interior finishes. The entire project was completed in 5 months. The finished home features large windows for natural light, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a balcony, and a garage. Proving that 3D printing is not just fast, but practical and comfortable. Even more impressive, construction costs were 22% lower compared to traditional stone houses in the region. Is this the future of housing? Write your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more breakthrough tech and innovation stories.